Hello, welcome back to another part of our horror tutorial in which we are now back into Unreal. So the first thing I want to do is, this is room 1. Now I'm pretty happy with room 1 at the minute. There's not much more we can do until we get finish room 2. So load up room 2 now. I've already been into room 2. You'll have, if you followed me and you copied room 1 and put room 2 down, you'll have all the same settings, but you'll still have room 1 in there, so just delete out room 1 and the 2 lights that we placed and go into my assets. Create a new folder called room 2, nothing too daring there. And what you want to do then is open up your file system and find where you put your room 2 FBX files. So mine's in my hard drive. It's down here, room 2. Oh god, wait there, bear with me. Open up room 2 first, that would help, wouldn't it? Open up your file system and drag the FBX file for room 2 in there. Close that down, we don't need that anymore. All these settings should be absolutely fine. Just click import all. Don't worry about any of that, that's just nonsense we don't need to worry about. And then all we need to do is drag out. Oh, interesting. Because I saved a new file, I've only given UVs to certain things. Not bad. Okay, drag this in somewhere. It should be a little bit bigger than the last one we had. Wow. Okay. Drag this down to wherever our player spawn level is. It's about there. Move our, oh god, that's really helpful having that big thing there, isn't it? Move your, what the move the hell is happening there? What's going on there? Move your character forward, that's better, so that he spawns around about there. Seems about right, doesn't it? Then we want to put our light back. Okay, let go of the third person character so get rid of that. Grab your point light, because we know our point light's supposed to be here. There we go. So we've got a lovely, we know we're going to have a street light here because that's what's shining in through our window. We see that, we know that. And then we've got now our long ass corridor, but we can't see anything. And we want to work on it, obviously. So the best thing to do is go to click on the where it says lit and go down to unlit, and now we can see god awful colours, but don't worry, they'll be gone in a minute. So we need to remember what we put our colours to, put our materials to, sorry, in the last video. So if you go back into levels and go to room 1 again, we'll load this up, save everything, keep saving everything because this version of Unreal is terrible and it crashed all the time. I really don't know why that does that. That's bizarre, that. I will have to work that one out, because that drives me mad. Alright, click on this and come down to where it says... So we've got Brick Rough 02. I'm pretty sure that's the outside element. Just going to make a quick note of that. 02. Okay, and that'll sort all our walls out, hopefully, if we're really lucky. So reload up room 2. Click on our mesh and we'll find our outside material content, and we will go, oh, where was it? It was in was it in twin motion materials? It might be, I don't know, maybe brick clean, brick rough 02. I'm pretty sure that was it. Drag that onto our outside material. There we go. Wow, what a difference that already makes to our world. Now if I click play, we'll fall through the floor apparently. Let's come back out of that. Let's go back up. Right. Oh. Let's try that again. Let's lift you up a little bit as well so you don't... God damn it. Go up. Don't want you falling out of the world. Why? Why do you do that? Why? What is stopping you from spawning in the world? Probably this, maybe. Okay. Huh. Goes to the network play start. Fair enough. Okay, so let's move you around then. Bad size. Sure. Okay. Let's bring you over here and drag you up a little bit. You still going to say bad size? I don't know. Let's just bring you down a bit. Play. Why? Why does it do that? What is it spawning me from? Oh, sorry. I'm very silly. I've just realised why it's pushing me out through the floor. Click on this and click on your static mesh, like so. Go down and don't forget to change the collision complexity to collision asymptote. Right, there we go. Okay, now we shouldn't fall through the floor. Let's try again. There we go, we're in the world. Lovely stuff. Now at the moment we can walk around, but as you can see, if I put a chain link fence, I can't. It's only when I get to here I can just see the slither. Here obviously I can see all the way down, and I can just see from there. So, and again, if I come all the way over here, that wall really is irrelevant. So that's great. At least we can walk on the floor now. We've got a bit of an atmosphere going on. Now, I'm tempted to put to duplicate this light. Copy, paste, and move it all the way down to here. To just about there, I think. Let's go to lit. So that just breaks up that darkness a little bit. And as I said, we don't want it to be too light. We want this to be a little bit dark. And the reason for that is that we're going to have hopefully a little bit of a jump scare going on. Now, the next thing I want to do is let's go back to unlit. Sorry, I've added in a fence chaining pack. Let's just grab some meshes, and I just want to have a look at what we've got here. See how I want to see how big they are. Some of them are big, some of them are small. But let's see. We want a big one, obviously. I don't want to drag in a small one. So see, like that's way too small. Way too small. Let's go for maybe. Let's have a look at this one. Well, that's a little better. And we want to drag it just to the to about there. I'd say is probably good enough. Let's drag our player down a bit more. Oh god. So we can get a bit of a height reference to where he is. That seems pretty good to me. Right. And then we just want to kind of copy and paste this along. Where's the arrows? There they are. Along a bit. Now these can be a bit fiddly to grab, but if you take your time, you should be okay. Yeah. And I don't want too many, obviously. I want it to sort of stop just at this door, so I'm going to do one more. Like so. Now, if you're wondering where I got this chain link pack, you can get it on the marketplace. It's really cheap. And it does do the trick as well, for sure, just to bring your game to life a little bit more. Let's do that by 90. There we go. We probably want to find the door one as well, thinking about it. And actually, all those can come up one. If you want an easier way of grabbing all your fences, by the way, you can just grab it from the menu. And then again it goes up one. Right. Okay. Back to the details panel. Now there should be a door somewhere on this one, I'd have thought. Doorway. Let's do that. Oh god, not wrong one. 90 again. And bring it over. Will that fit is the question. Should just. Oh, not quite. Not quite. Okay. Have I got enough space that I can bring that one? Yeah, I reckon I got a bit of space. Okay, let's do this. Is it even? Yeah, that's probably okay, I think. Let's just make sure it does fit up against the wall before I go and commit to that. Otherwise, could end up looking quite bad. Into there, and it just fits and gives us a little bit more space. But this, to me, doesn't look quite right at the minute. Why do you not look right? Are you too high, or is this too low? It does seem to fit correctly. Yeah, right? It does, doesn't it? I'm not being mad, it does look right. Yeah? No? Does the door need to go up high? I don't know. What the hell? This looks really bizarre. Okay, let's bring it down one. There you go. Okay, that's fine. Right. We can live with that. Okay, that looks a lot better, actually, instantly. And then what we want is a door that we can't open. Where's the door? Where is the door? Door. Doorway. There should be doors. Where's the doors? Give me a door. Where is my door? I need a door. Oh, here we go. This should be right. Just make sure there's no others. Yeah, no. Yeah, we'll go with that. And let's just rotate that again. 90. Cool. Will it fit is the question. It better. Let's bring it back one. No. It's just not quite there, is it? It's not. It's just off. Is it just off, or is it just me? Oh, I don't know. No. Damn it. That's too. That's definitely too far. So that's. Okay. I mean, that lines up pretty nicely. Yeah, okay, I'm going to say that's okay. Right. So, we're not going to be able to open this door because we actually want to funnel the player into this door. So now, we've got a lovely little gate. Let's put it back to lit and see how it looks. Wow, okay, that's kind of cool. So immediately when the player comes out, if it's this dark, they're going to know. Like if I'm looking around like this, they're going to know they're trapped in a fence. We have no flashlight at this point, so we do need to lighten up a little bit. I'm thinking of doing so. Let's go back to our unlit. I want to add some bits in here as well. So let's create the scene quickly. Sorry, we're going to have another episode on this where we add in all the lights and other bits as well. So where is it? Let's go to this meshes. Right. We've got some of these crates, right? Now they're pretty big crates, but that's okay. I can size them up as well, just to make them look a bit more larger than life. Let's double the size of this one. There you go, like so. Wow, that is a pretty big crate. We also need to test that the player can't use these crates to jump out. That would be another really big issue if we were to do that. And bring these in a bit so they're a bit closer. And we can litter all different sizes in here. It's not, something be all and end all. Let's do another one here. Maybe put another big massive one over here by the door, just blocking that door slightly so makes you feel like you need to explore a bit more. Let's just do another big one here, but let's make it like, I don't know, again, play around with it as you want. 1.5 I think maybe would be a good size. There you go. Bring that down a bit more, scoot it in a bit closer, Let's maybe, I don't know, chuck in a barrel. Closed barrel. Yeah, a couple of barrels in here would be kind of cool. Chuck in maybe, I don't know, a big crate somewhere. Just so that when the player spawns, it feels a little bit more industrial, you know? Let's bring that up as well. There you go. Again, we won't be able to see this at the moment because it's so dark, but let's add in a, I don't know, let's add in a light actually. Let's add in a, let's add in a point light, but we'll rotate it. So, let's go to lit now. No, I didn't want that, sorry, I wanted a spotlight, apologies. Let's add in a spotlight. We'll put it up, like so, and then we're going to rotate it so it's facing outwards, like so. We'll increase it as well so it's a bit more brighter than that, but we want it to be a bit more. Do we want it to, I don't, if I had the radius up of the outer cone, we want it to kind of just light up the door, but also give us, yeah, up the intensity a little bit more. We basically want this area just about lit up by this light. So yeah, here we go, here. This is great. This is probably a lot better than I wanted it to be. Wow, okay, yeah. Awesome. Okay, let's just click play and see what it looks like. Yes, we've got that light lighting up this corridor, that's fine. You've got these awesome kind of shadow effects going on now as well, especially from the box. You can't even see the door, which is great. That's very cool. And the player can jump up on the barrels. I don't think he's going to be able to... Yeah, he can't quite reach out, so that's fine. And he's blocked in, essentially. And then what we're going to have is him go up to this door, and as it gets to the door, we want something to basically run to the door to stop him from leaving, right? So that's the idea we're going for. In the next episode, we're going to get the bottom flooring done. We'll tweak the lighting a little bit more, and just get the general scene feeling very, very cool. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave a like and obviously leave a comment of anything else you want to see in this game. If you haven't already, please head over to Facebook and check out the Dead Developers Studios page. We obviously has all of our information about our upcoming games in 2021. And other than that, thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.